Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivatmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 25 of being productive in coding. Today I'm gonna solve length of last word lead code problem. In this problem, they are asking to find the length of last word. You can see the example here. Here in the hello world string, the last word is world. So we return 5, the length of this last word. And coming to the example 2, you can see the last word. There are spaces. So we should not count the spaces and we should count only the word. So the word here, last word is moon. So we returned moon length as 4. And coming to the example 3, it's basic example. We return joy boy length. That's it. And you can see s that the string that they will give consists of uh, English letters and spaces. That's it. There are no special characters or else no numbers. Let's do this problem. How can we do it? In strings, in Java, we have one method called split method. With the split method, we can do this problem. In the split method, we have to give the spaces. That means whenever space comes in the entire string, you should divide that one and make that part to the substrings. I will explain you, don't worry. See, here I am going to take one string array and I am going to use the split method that is present in the strings, and here I am giving a space. That means whenever the space occurred in the s string, the given string, this is the given string s string, you should consider it as separate word. If you take the example of hello world, now n array will consist of strings in this way. This is comment, okay? N array will consist of strings like this. Hello will be taken as one index and world will be taken as another index. In this way the string will be splitted. As the string saw this split method saw this space, it will just split into the separate indices. I hope you are all getting. Now our n array consists of two substrings. We should get the last index of we should get the length of the last index. That's the problem. You can see now our array consists of this one. Now we just simply return n of n dot length minus 1 dot length. See, we are returning the last index length. Let's execute. So all test cases pass. In this way, we can do this problem. Now I'm going to submit the code here. So it passed. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. I hope you all understood this problem. And you can even do this problem with the help of two pointers approach also. So that's it. Thank you for watching.